you. Maybe they have to get some information on you. So if they tell you to wait 7 to 10 business days, wait till you actually get a letter in the mail saying, hey, they want you to call in to verify your identity. Call them, because after you verify your identity, they're going to say, congratulations, you're pre-approved for this amount. And that happened to me with Community Bank. So Community Bank is really the bank that everybody used for the shopping cart trick. So with Community Bank, I remember I got this was before I even started teaching the shopping cart trick, but it was years ago. I remember when I got, I believe, the Express credit card, and then they have a Marathon. They have a Marathon credit card also, and I think it's a Visa or a MasterCard. I think it's MasterCard. But with these two, the Express and that Marathon Visa or MasterCard, I had to call for both of those credit cards. But the thing is, I found out that through Community Bank, if you're Equifax, they'll pull your Equifax credit reports, right? But they'll pull your Equifax credit reports, and if your credit score is over 620, you don't have any negative accounts that you owe, they'll approve you for almost all of their credit cards. So I would go to like the Visa credit cards that they have, the Visa or MasterCard credit cards, and apply for them. And I found that they was just approving me. But I guess after they kept approving me, or when they first started approving me, they wanted to verify that I was actually who I was after they verified me, and then that's when they sent out the credit cards. But that may be the same thing with the Victoria's Secret